Right, so hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you on how to delete a partition or a hard drive partition in Windows 11. So it's a very simple process. Let's get straight into it. So a partition will look like this. So when you open File Explorer, go into this PC and you'll see there's an extra partition right here. Okay, it's an extra flash drive. Okay, so for you it might be any like drive D, maybe you have drive C and drive D, but it's a partitioned hard drive. It's one hard drive that is divided into two and you want it to all go to drive C. So yeah, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to delete the hard drive. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into your search bar right here, then you're going to type in disk management. Okay, and once you type in disk management, create and format hard disk partitions will pop up. Open that. Okay, as you can see here, this is my one drive. Okay, I have 60 gigs, but it's divided into two separate partitions. Okay, so I don't want this partition, so right click on it, okay, and click on delete volume and click on this. Make sure this volume does not have any important files, guys, and any files in this is backed up onto another drive. Okay, since deleting the volume will delete all of your data in that volume. Okay, so just click on yes and it'll say free space. Right click here. Okay, just go right click here and click on delete partition. Click yes and it'll be unallocated. Okay, so you're going to right click here and click on extend volume. So extend volume will be available once this says unallocated. Okay, so right click here and click on extend volume. Next, and it will display that this 0 has 99 MB. Okay, so for me that's what I have, 100 MB, so 99 MB. So click on next, finish, and basically it's one whole hard drive again. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope it helped you to restore your drive into its full capacity, and yeah, thanks for watching.